All right, today we are taking the first trip in the van, our big empty box truck van. We are going, finally, to a national park.
To Arches National Park, which is only about an hour and a half from us, and we've driven by it tons of times, but I've never been, and obviously it's something we have to see.
Yeah, I think I'm so excited. We're gonna do some hikes today and just have a good time.
I mean, look at my hat.
Yeah.
I'm prepared.
She's ready.
Bringing the van to a lot of different places just around town or anywhere we need to go recently, only because it has super nice AC.
Yeah, better than the Jeep. Yeah. The Jeep has AC, but this is a lot better. So one thing to keep in mind when you're planning a trip to a popular national park is during peak season, you're probably gonna need to make a reservation. For example, Arches is an extremely popular national park here in Utah. Ashley and I had to pick a time that we were gonna arrive at the park. We chose between 12 and 1 o'clock, and we're able to book that time through recreation.gov. Also, something to keep in mind, your reservation is not your ticket into the park. We paid $2 to reserve our time to get into Arches, but then once we get there, we have to pay to get into the park.
First stop is always the visitor center and the bathroom.
You're looking good.
Good night, mate. Is that Australian?
Yeah, that's not where we are. So Ash has the hat, the backpack, she's got the correct shoes, and then there's me. I'm not prepared.
I'm always prepared. Time. No, keep going.
Damn, look at all the rocks.
I know.
That's crazy.
Do you have anything to say?
I wish it would stop raining. Right now we're just hanging out in the van, waiting for the rain to stop. It keeps going on and off, but at some points it's literally just downpouring. So we're gonna give it a little longer and then we're gonna make our way to our first arch. First arches we're gonna go check out are north and south window arch.
Now this is an arch formed in the rock.
Oh, there it is, right there. Going to that one right now. And then there's one right there too.
There's 3 arches in this.
And right there.
You can get to.
Crazy.
North window, south window, and then turret arch. So this is the second arch, the south facing
I
south
think it's
window
south,
rock?
yeah, I think it's south.
So you can't actually go up to that one up there unless you're, I guess, really determined.
Yeah.
But we're not going to be doing that.
No? I think from right here is pretty good.
Not with your shoes. This rock. So we didn't even realize it, but once we were up here, we can also see about 3 or 4 arches on the other side of the parking lot.
Pretty cool with all the water on all the rocks. Now we're gonna make our way down to the parking lot and across the way, go see some more arches.
Ron's mom bought this hat for Ron, but he's got a big noggin, so it doesn't fit him quite right. I think it looks great on me. I love it. You have a nice hat though too.
Right now we're on a trail to go to Double Arch. It's a very quick trail. Parking lot is literally right there, and the arches are right here.
It's starting to rain, so we'll see what happens. I have to say that these trails are really well maintained. Arches does a really good job.
It's coming down now. We're gonna get in the arch.
I came prepared.
It's dry right here. Wow, that's so cool. This would be perfect if I had the nice camera right now.
Insane is seeing that rock just fall over.
Yeah, it'd be cool. And I'd be rich because I'd get it on camera. I don't know if you guys can see it on the GoPro, but it's raining right here. All this is getting wet, but I'm in the dry spot. Ash is right down there. This is so cool though. This is probably my favorite so far. And then this wraps around, it's like a cave. You could easily walk all the way up here.
So many more arches that we had planned to hike to today, but with this weather I don't think it's going to be safe or possible.
Yeah.
So stuff like Delicate Arch, which is a 3-mile difficult hike that is on basically on a shelf road, a very skinny trail shelf, wouldn't be safe to do right now. So we're gonna come back to do that one, but I'm glad we got to see these 3 or 4 or so 9 cool. We saw a lot. Interesting weather to come out here. Ron said we'll go when the rain lets up. It's only gotten worse. It's raining on me now.
Let's move to higher ground.
Okay. It's a ghost. No, it's just dressed like a cowboy.
Wow, it's coming down, man. Oh my god, it's a waterfall.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Wow, this is not something you see every day. Oh my god, it's just a waterfall coming. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wow. We're gonna have to move, Ashley. It's coming closer. Look at it. Wow.
Which way do I go, Ron?
Oh my god. Wow, it's coming down. Ain't safe anywhere now. You can see it everywhere. Look at it. Right. You can see the waterfalls starting everywhere. That is so cool. I think we got super lucky and we are probably in one of the best spots under one of the best arches in the park during a rainstorm. This is awesome.
We're still dry somehow.
Yeah.
Everybody else has been soaked.
Yeah. There was about 24 other people who were here when the rain really started, but they've all left since then, and I think it doesn't seem like it's letting up anytime soon. We're probably gonna have to make our way back to the van.
Yeah, I think that the way that it looks at this waterfall, the more water it gets, the bigger it's gonna get, and I don't want to be in its path.
No.
so we're just gonna have to get wet. But I think this little section of arches that we saw today is gonna be it.
Yeah, no, definitely. I mean,
it's not gonna let up anything. So
I'm happy with it.
Yeah, me
happy
too.
with it.
We have an Angel Park pass, so we can come back anytime we want.
Yeah.
I love this hat.
We can still drive the length of the road on the park and see all the views that has to offer. But as for hikes,
It's so after we go back to the
that's true. We probably won't wanna.
Yeah, I want tacos.
This is awesome though.
By National Park After Dark. If you haven't heard of them, it's a really cool podcast. I'd go check them out. But they go over a lot of tragic hiking and mountaineering and all kind of like outdoor activity events that have happened. So anytime we're in that kind of situation, I get really weary of the horrific things that could happen if you're not safe or careful.
Well, we made good timing. No more rain. Got the arch behind us. That waterfall basically stopped. We're gonna make our way back to the car now.
Hello, Mr. Bird.
So we got one more arch we're gonna hit today. It's called Sand Dune Arch. And from what I've read and from the crow is screaming over there. From what I've seen in videos online on YouTube, that this is like in a mini slot canyon, if you will. So I'm super excited to see this. It's starting to rain a little bit. So yeah, we're gonna try to do this really quickly before it starts downpouring on us.
It says it's easy and good for kids, so I think it'd be perfect for us.
Yeah, let's go see it. Oh my God. This is so cool. The road less traveled. I think the Jeep could fit through here. Yeah, this is awesome. That's crazy.
So as you're walking, you can tell which sand is wet, and then there's sand right here that hasn't seen rain yet.
So I guess when it starts raining, we gotta lay down in here because everything else is wet.
Yeah, like I said, good for kids, as you can tell. Look at them go.
So right here, there's Sand Dune Arch. So cool. Just hidden right inside this canyon. Looks like we got an even better spot if it starts to pour. All that's dry. I bet you a few hours ago, this was all a waterfall right here, running right through there. This is really cool.
Keep your arms down.
Yeah. There's a cave way down there. It's crazy. Yeah, let's get out of here. We found another cave kind of close to the entrance of the trailhead. I don't think I'm gonna go in there. It's kind of spooky.
Oh, I got that.
Wow. So we had a really fun day today. There's so much to explore here out in Arches. We only got to see literally a fraction of them.
It's not very often that we get to just have a day trip where we just go hiking and see cool things. Usually it's some extensive Jeep trip.
Yeah.
So.
It was nice having a day trip, just us. We got to leave the dogs at home and explore all the stuff that the dogs wouldn't be able to go on just because they're not allowed, and a lot of the stuff of the national parks. So if y'all get the chance to come to Arches, I definitely recommend it. Really cool here.
And if you get the chance, buy yourself a hat like
yeah.
this.
It would be really nice in the sunny weather,
Yes.
not in the cloudy rain.
Shield me from the rain.
Yeah. As always, we appreciate y'all for watching. We'll see you out on the trail, and we'll see you next time.
I'm tired. I'm tired. Yo soy muy cansado. ¿Cansada? Was I sleeping? Oh, are you recording me? You know what's really funny? Is that people say Ron is shy. We use this time to tell you about our sponsor. We don't have one.